The first case was the male of 1 year 4 months with the abdominal mass that appeared to arise from the bladder, and this was an embryonal rhabdomyosarcoma. The second case was a female of 3 years 4 months with an enlarged left inguinal lymph node, and this was a lymphoblastic lymphoma. Case number 3 was the testicular tumour from a male of 10 months, and this was a yolk sac tumour. The pink intracellular globules that we're zooming into is alpha-fetoprotein. Case number 4 was a male of 1 year with a mediastinal mass, and this was a neuroblastoma. The final case was a female of 2 years 9 months with a liver tumour, and the liver tumour was a hepatoblastoma. The pink hypocellular area that we are zooming into is osteoid. Osteoid is sometimes seen in hepatoblastomas. In areas you can see the resemblance of tumour cells to hepatocytes, giving away the diagnosis.